MJ here. Welcome to the daily life of a motion designer. In this episode of our After Effects Transition Effects series, we're diving into the CC Grid Vibe, a versatile and visually stunning effect that can add serious flair to your motion design projects. The CC Grid Vibe comes with 7 parameters. Completion controls the progress of the vibe. Center adjusts the origin point of the vibe. Rotation rotates the grid for dynamic angles. Border adds a stylish border around the grid cells. Tiles controls the number of rows and columns in the grid. Shape lets you choose between rectangular, radial, or door shapes. Reverse flips the direction of the transition for even more versatility. It's super easy to use. Just import 2 photos or videos. Add the CC Grid Vibe effect to the first layer. And animate the transition completion over 2 seconds. For this example, I'll move the center to this spot for a more dynamic look. Then I'll choose a shape style that complements the photo, tweak the border and tiles, and check out the result. And there you have it, a sleek, professional transition in just a few steps. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you found it helpful, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts or see what you create with the CC Grid Vibe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of the daily life of a motion designer. See you in the next one. Until then, keep creating.